How to automatically update all placed widgets when widgets are changed in the library in Axure. On the Axure.com forum, a person proposed how to automatically update all its instances when updating the component library. This person's previous company team used to work with Figma and they were able to implement this feature, but now they are encountering difficulties using Axure. They are seeking help. In this video, I explained how to use Axure components to solve the update and maintenance issues. This video, I will use a case to illustrate how it works. Firstly, I created a team project, not a team library, and saved 2 copies, one for me and one for my colleague. This is the interface for my account, and you can see that page 1 has an instance of the button component. Then I changed the component to red and increased its width, checked in all to the team project cloud. Then my colleague opened the file he saved and saw the original blue button. Then, he selected the Get All Changes option in the menu bar, and the blue component and page instance became red. Changes take effect. You will create all widgets into the component pane organized through folders. Then, by updating them through Team Project, maintenance of this library can be achieved.